Yep, you read the title correctly. Today, I'm checking out the 35B zone. Now, as you can see, I got my 35th, how do you call that? My honeycomb beats, whatever. Hive slot. But since I was working my two booty cheeks off, wait, what is that? Why is the font so? Anyways, I wasted all my honey, because I needed to get that 35th hive slot, and now I have 0 honey, as you can see. So now I'm gonna grind to get that basic egg and see what bee I have. So yeah, where do you think I wanna grind in? Strawberry. Actually, yeah, I wanna go in strawberry actually. Alright, this is gonna take a surprising long time. So I'm just gonna, in the meanwhile, I'm just gonna show you some bee swarm memes. So you get entertained. So yeah, see you when I'm done.
Beesmas Robux packs, I like money. Dark Scythe and Gummiballer, haha so strong. Tide Popper, please buff me. Types of headaches, migraine, hypertension, stress, Commando Chick Parker. Me who just wanted a gold egg, cave monsters. This is where I would put my mountaintop badge, if I had one. My frogs after 30 seconds. Majame, about to boost my inventory, no macro converters. On it, allows macro players make 150 trillion honey a day on it. By 25k royal jelly, statistically I should get mythic B. My RNG sucks. My RNG sucks. Average BSS player when the map turns green after Beesmas.
Alright, I got a little bit more over 10,000. I just wanted to get that extra 7 mil. So I'm not broke again the next time I get it. So my 35th egg. You see that 35B zone gate? It's red. Yeah. Well, not for long. Oh my gosh, it's the first time I ever got a bomber meat instead of 23 royal jellies. I guess that's enough. I'm broke. Okay. Not sure if you noticed yet. Transform Bomber B, Riley B. I already have that. I don't have that, do I? I don't. Alright. It's green. It's time to check out the 35B zone. Yo, this is so cool, guys. I want to talk to Spirit Boy right here. Doesn't the mountain... I used to... Oh, you know what? Finally. Spirit starter. Oh god. Okay. Coconut crab? No. My what? Oh yeah, I always wanted to know wait, what this is. Okay. Pedal wand. No wonder my friends were telling me to save my star jellies. Man. The Pokey gift box. Let me try. Oh! Why is it that expensive? New field to grinding? Question mark? This actually gave me tons of loads of. Alright, next video we're getting Photoni, by the way. The wind shine. Yeah. I have a cloud vial. There it is. Pineapple, this, that, okay. Is it just me or Pumpkin is always the one to be like, oh yeah. Wait, what? Oh my god. Alright, this place is cooler than I expected. Alright, is this Windy Bee? Oh my. Oh, whatever this place. I can't go in here. Oh, bro! What did I do to you, Windy Bee? Oh my god. Bro, Windy Bee and what? Oh my god. Alright, you know what? I give up, bro. This coconut crab, oh my gosh. My bees are not... I'm just gonna focus on Windy Bee, bro. I don't even care about coconut crab. Ah. Okay. Guess I'll just grind and pepper patch. Alright, I'm gonna just cut the video until I get... I don't even want to grind it. Let's do Spirit Starter. First, I'm gonna grind in Mountaintop. Alright, now I'm gonna cut it. Oh yeah, one thing I wanted to check out is that nectar pot or whatever it is. Let me check this out. forgot there's still stuff over there that I haven't seen. Oh yeah, that thing. Nectar condenser. Into a nectar. Okay, I'm like doing a quest right now, and I'm kind of tired too. So yeah, that's gonna be the end of this video. I was really happy that I reset 35 years old. I can finally get on with my life instead of just buying high slots over and over. And yeah, so hope you have a good day, and I'll see you guys in the next video.